5, 4, 3, 2, 3 points.
Next natin. So ito bowler. Shout out kay Bro Coles Pets. Alright. Versus Defender. Open up division. Alright. Nod lang tayo guys. Okay, what's up yo? It's another Sunday. It's another ball game na naman. Dito na naman tayo sa DT Go Campus para manood at mag-video ng mga highlights ng mga magagaling na player dito sa Bank of Thailand. Alright, up next natin is Soito Bowlers versus Defender Open Up Division. Alright. Shout out sa ating mga committee officials natin. Si Sir Levy, si Sir Coco, si Ma'am Ann, si Apo Kirog, sir, saka si Benchot. Alright, mabuhay sa tayo lahat dito sa Bank of Thailand. Mabuhay ang UNS Basketball League. Alright!
Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, bahala kayo. Pero kung ako sa inyo, subscribe na.
Alright. Shout out sa ating lahat. Okay, shout out sa ating lahat. Ito yung mga dumalo, manood ng UNS Basketball League dito sa Bank of Thailand. Alright, mabuhay tayong lahat. Shout out. Alright. Wemby in the house. Magandang panoorin to guys. Dito sa may Soito Bowlers. Ayun, basket. Three points para kay Teo.
Alright, number 19, number 5, sa gilid, pinalik sa labas, Jack for three! Hindi ka matalo. Last touch, sorry to go. Number 30. Ten second shot clock. 8, 7. Jersey number 10. Mr. Charles Lee, wala. Sukat na sukat. Basket na. Ulitin niya. Pagkali sa loob. Pagkali. Sayang. Kabila niya. Balikan number 5. Tumira. Defenders.
Score natin 10-9. Remaining time 3 minutes and 43 seconds for the first quarter. Right.
Alright, back to the board. Di ba, Vibes? So, yan. Alright. Attention. Balik kay Serrano. Serrano. Bumalik sa gilid. Sa gilid, bumalik na taas! Number 19. The middle. Alright.
That's it for the first quarter.
First quarter action. Thank you.
Score 14-11.
Success. SW. Balos. Tudo Manuel. Ayan, nagpapatid kayo mga pula. Oh, pinagtak! Yes, yes! Oh, again. For the fullback. Another one. Hey, Nabales. Nabales, balik. Kick out sa labas. Nakina pa rin. Ayun, balik sa kanila. Dumanuel. Binigay tapos. Tapos, Pumitos na nga.
Timeout, defender. Score natin 14-15.
Number 19 sa rin. Pumitos din. Kung kayo balos sa kanan, siya naman sa kaliwa. Grabe naman, walang kalingan. Number 18, Gensho. Gensho, umupo sa aero. Committed his third personal foul. Badge, the block. Justin, intercepted by Justin. Justin ngayon, tumama sa gilid. Pumasok! Grabe naman yung ngayon.
Score natin 16-24.
Justin.
Lamang ang Brady Soy 2 ballers.
I call it Eurostar, I call it basics. Alright. 10 seconds left. Last 8 seconds. Eurostar, Charles Lee call it basics. Number 19, Felix Alo, 10 seconds left. Yes, sir! 20. Balik na pasa. Nice pass. Ay, Mustard. Oh, lahit. And that's the end of our first count action.
Score 22-27.
Soy 2 bowlers and the defender. Score nothing. 22-27. Lamang ang Soy 2 bowlers. Shut up.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter.
Aguirre for 3. All right. Number 5. All right. Timeout. Defender.
Score natin 25-28. So ito, ballers.
All right. Number 10. Balik kay Gumaniel for 3. Malakas pa. Rebound na number 5. Pero doon sa Aguirre. Aguirre. Rebound na sa parang bullet lane. Gumaniel. Pasok. 2 points. Yes, 2 points. All right, again, we would like to thank our sponsors.
Score 27-30. So ito, ballers ang lapang.
Aguirre, back to number Serrano to Salvando Aguirre. Pasok yan. And time out, so 2 bowlers. Ayan. Lumipat na ang kalamangan sa kutunan ng defender.
Score 31-30. Defender.
Sayang. Aguirre, balik na Salvan, football. Aguirre, yes! The pivotal shot all around. Ganda naman ng pase ni Galos. Pass background. And that's the end of our third quarter action. Score 37-33 in favor of defenders. Next game. Oh, is it a coincidence? Tinapay versus Kabayan.
Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter na tayo, guys.
Alright, Aguirre.
Low scoring ball game tayo. 37-32.
Salvan, balik na Aguirre. Trenching check back. Balik ke Salvan, Salvan Bordi babawi.
Back-to-back threes para kay Salvan. Alright. Score natin 43-37 in favor of defender. Pasok yung unang free throw ni Bunyag.
Yes. Itu
Sok yung free throw ni Bunyag. Alright.
Alright, again, we would like to thank our sponsor, Unity and Success, SWE, Eagle Play. Balik kay Salvan. Salvan for 3. Serrano. First personal and first playing ball. Yes, what a drop pass coming from jersey number 19. And the lead is down to only 4 points. Serrano, 10 seconds check back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Sayang! 3 points! Pangatluan! Serang. 20 seconds of time. 6.3 ang lamang ng defenders with a remaining time of 5 minutes and 7 minutes. Aguirre, may kaka ng bola. Pinitin ni Serrano. Salva sa loob. Pinitin sa loob.
Score 52-44. Defender ang lamang.
7, 6, 5, 4. Number 10, yes, alright, timeout, blue. Defenders score nothing. 52-46 with a remaining time of 4 minutes. The lead is 5 points. Lima na lang kalamangan. Right. Sa loob. 20 minutes left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time. With a remaining time of 2 minutes and 41 seconds. With a 7-point lead. Yes, from defenders. Five, 4, 3. Yes. And again, yes. Ten seconds.
Alright. Panalo ang defender.
That's the end of our basketball action.
Final score 64-51. Defender. Alright.
Best player of the game.
Best player of the game natin si Salvan. Alright. Yan mga winning team. Alright, congrats mga sir, defender. Alright.